This smoked LED third brake light option that we have here today is going to be a great choice for the 14 through 18 Silverado owners out there who might be looking to ditch their boring or busted factory incandescent option and go with something that's going to combine a very modern and very aggressive look thanks to the combination of the LEDs and that dark smoked housing. Now this option can be had for that low $200 price point, and the install really couldn't be much easier thanks to the plug and play design. So therefore figure soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I would say about a 30-minute job from start to finish, as we'll demonstrate later in the video. So again, I think this is gonna be a great option for you Silverado owners who really just wanna freshen things up, not from only an appearance standpoint, but also wanna do so in a modern and aggressive way, and prefer something that's gonna deliver more of that modified or aftermarket appearance. Now this option is going to pack a plethora of cool LED lighting into that dark smoked housing and lens. But underneath that smoke lens is where this thing's really going to shine, pun intended, and that is due to the combination of both the red and the white LEDs. Now the LEDs are going to be far brighter compared to the factory incandescent lighting you are replacing, and will only help increase your visibility while on the road, leading to more safety despite that dark smoke lens. Now those LEDs again are housed in the black ABS housing, and that's going to help contribute to that more aggressive look along with the smoke lens. Finally guys, everything's been sealed up nice and tight here to prevent any water or condensation from building up in the housing over time. But shifting gears, let's briefly talk about the install, and I say briefly because that's really what you can expect with this job. No wiring, no modification, just a direct swap plug and play job. So give you a better idea of just how things are going to go down on your Silverado at home, feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown right now.
The only tool you'll need for this is a T15 Torx bit. Grab your T15 Torx bit and remove the screws in your third brake light. Now once you have your screws out of your third brake light, go ahead and pull forward. Give it a little tug. And from there you can disconnect your third brake light. Taking your new light, plug in the harness. Feed your wire through the opening. Get your light lined up. And place your screws through. And again, using your T15 Torx bit, tighten your screws down. And that's going to wrap it up for this review and install of the ultra high power LED third brake light in smoked fitting your 14 to 18 Silverado 1500. For more videos just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button at americantrucks.com.